The lecture today, we are talking about the synthesis, secretion, and regulation of insulin. Let's say this is the pancreas. Pancreas, of course, is a double gland, correct? It is exocrine gland and it is an endocrine gland. There are alpha, beta, delta, and F cells. Out of those, the cells that are most important for us are alpha and beta. Alpha cells are responsible to release glucagon. The other cells, beta cells, are again very important. They are good for, they also release other things, which are insulin C peptide, some fraction of proinsulin, then what? Amylin, glutamic acid decarboxylase, GAD. Why is this important clinically? It is important because this can act as an antigen in diabetic patients who are type 1 diabetics. We know this generally that when we eat and when there is glucose, that glucose increases insulin. We'll talk about that today. But this much I think we all know. Why does glucagon level go down? Insulin level goes up, glucagon levels go down. What happens is that if we take one tiny cluster of cells, let's say in this cluster, we have beta cells. Usually beta cells are present in the center, and then alpha cells are present on the periphery. D and F cells are just scattered all over. Incoming capillary brings the blood in the central part of the acinus. So blood is brought to which cells first? Beta cells. So which cells get a chance to assess and sense the glucose level? Beta cells. Now, from here, blood vessels or capillaries then move outwards. The benefit is this, guys, that where will the blood go after it has gone to beta cells? To the peripheral sides. And what are the peripheral sides? What cells are sitting there? Alpha cells. So when insulin is present in the blood, because beta cells were sensing the insulin and they got the first turn to sense glucose and manufacture insulin and pour that into the blood, where will that blood go? What cells will it bath? Alpha cells. So alpha cells are going to receive blood with insulin in it. That will inhibit glucagon. So beta cells are given a first chance to assess the situation in the blood and decide how much insulin to release. Based on that release of insulin, based on that level of insulin, these cells will decide to release glucagon more or less. Got it? So this is an important structural component that we should know. All right. So